Hello, welcome to Reel QuickE, your daily dose of entertainment. Since quite some time, media has been reporting about Hrithik and Kangana's affair. I also never believed it. It's kind of weird to believe this. So Hrithik tweeted and said, "There are more chances of me having had an affair with the Pope than any other woman the media has been naming. Thanks, but no thanks." Okay, we'll check with the Pope how he reacts to this. But why did he say that? Because yesterday Kangana said, "Yes, many lame rumors are doing the rounds. Even a dumbass can tell you where these rumors are coming from. I don't know why exes do silly things to get your attention. For me, the chapter is over and I don't dig graves." Any dumbass can tell. आप ही बता दो. Karan Johar, अपना के जो, he's just 43 और उनकी tell all biography already ready है. Can you believe it? इतने कम उम्र में उन्हें इतना कुछ बोलने के लिए है कि बुक ही किसी ने लिख डाली. It's called an unsuitable boy. You know where the name comes from, right? Vikram says a suitable boy. हमारा के जो unsuitable है. सब बुक बोल रहा है मैन. इंटरनेट पे पूरा दिन कुछ भी चलता रहता है. सोशल मीडिया पे स्पेशली जो चाहिए डालो, जितनी बकवास चाहिए करो, जो सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है वो भी डाल दो. So someone thought that Rishi Kapoor in his 70s looked like Alia Bhatt. Now I also thought, how's that possible? But see this picture. They actually look alike. And guess what? The best part about social media, Rishi Kapoor को भेज दो. He retweeted and he thought it's hilarious. And मानना पड़ेगा, उम्र के साथ इनका ह्यूमर बेटर होते जा रहा है. And finally, guess who is back? हिमेश रेशमिया. कितना भी फ्लॉप हो जाए, कितनी भी पिक्चरें फ्लॉप होती जाए, he will keep coming back. And his latest film is called Tera Surur. 2 words with so many spelling mistakes. You know, he's like one of those toys, one of those dolls that you hit them hard and they keep coming back with full force. See, like, flop.